Hello, great viewer. This is HappyMaths on the platform. I have an exponential equation here. Now, let's move. 4, 9, and 4 are perfect numbers. So this can be written as 3 raised to the power of 2 all squared minus 2 raised to the power of 2 is equal to. Now, 65 can be written as 13 times 5. Now, remember, an from power law is something as an. This is commutative. By application, I want to bring in the s into the bracket, the same thing applicable to this. So this will be 3 raised by s all squared minus 2 raised by s squared equal to 13.5. Now note that this is difference of 2 squared. This difference of 2 squared, which is a plus b, a minus b, which is a squared minus b squared. Question is in this form. Now let me expand it to be of this one, which is, this is a, this is b. So we have it as 3 raised to the power of s plus 2 raised by s equal to 13. Or better still, then we have for the second bracket 3 raised by s minus 2s equal to 65. Then we can have it as 3 raised by 2 plus 2 raised by s into 3 raised by 2 minus 2 raised by s equal to 13 times 5. Hit the subscribe button to notification for more. Now we can take this as 3 raised by s plus 2 raised by s equal to 13. Then the second one, 3 raised by s minus 2s equal to 5. Now this is a quadratic equation, simultaneous equation. So let's put here as positive. This and this, if you add them, that will give us 2 3 raised by s. Negative, positive, this and this will go. So from here, 13 plus 8, 5, you get 18. 2 will divide both sides, then you have it as 3 raised by s equal to 9. From here, 3 raised by s equal to 3 raised by 2. We can conclude, therefore, since the bases are the same, we could by s is equal to 2. And by application, if we put 2 here, that will give us 81. Then 81 minus 16, you get 65. S equal to 2 is the correct answer. Hit the subscribe button to notification for more. Bye.